Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2022 Palomino SolAire Ultra Lite 304 RKDS. So it does have a rear kitchen, and we'll show you that here in a moment. Look at the size of that awning. And it's a tandem wheel, and it also has an outdoor kitchen. That awning is a 20-foot power awning with LED lighting. The length on this RV is 35.2. Sleeps 5, 2 slides, outdoor kitchen as we can see here. Also, check out below under the comments, I've got a list of the top 10 items RV owners buy from Amazon. On that list, you'll possibly find some items that you're looking for. It does help me a little bit. Doesn't bring the price up at all, but it does put a couple of extra pennies in my account, which I'm very grateful for. I had to fasten that door and hold the camera still, and I was pretty surprised I was able to do that without dropping the camera. We have a dormitory style and size refrigerator, and then this is a pull-out sink that perhaps would help you in your preparation of food, or you could just leave it in and leave it locked and loaded as I have it right there. There you can see the outdoor speaker. We have LED lighting in the kitchen area, as well as a plug should you want to plug in a blender, and that's where that little sink slide out comes in handy. You pull that out and you could set a blender or a toaster or something on top of that slide out area that would help you. There's a outside speaker that I mentioned, and then the other one is all the way at the other end, so the speakers are 20 feet apart. That may be a little bit much. I'd have to hear it. That seems like it's spread out a little bit too much. Often you see them close together. There's the badging on the side of the door as we step up inside. I like that radius on the wall right there when you walk in. No sharp corner there. And the radius really looks kind of appealing to me. So here's the floor plan, and I found this really interesting. I wanted to shoot this RV because I have not seen a floor plan like this before. And leave a comment below if you've seen a floor plan like this, or if you haven't, and what your thoughts are, if you like it. The 2 chairs separated with a table, then we have a large flat screen TV, and then your seating as well as your dining area, and then your kitchen area. Kind of an interesting setup. Here we have 2 of the drying racks. Usually you just have one drying rack that you can roll up and adjust. Here it has 2, which I found interesting as well. And then also the countertop, that double-decker countertop. So a lot of firsts that I haven't seen in an RV, I'm seeing in this RV. So quite interesting. Again, the length is 35.2, exterior width is 8, exterior height is 11.1 as we open up the oven and then show the 3-burner cooktop. The hitch weight, gross weight, dry weight, our hitch is 920, gross is 8920. Dry weight is 7290, so it gives you a cargo of 1629 as we open up the refrigerator, and it's a 11 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, more cabinet space throughout. Your tank capacities, your fresh gray and your black, are 44, 106 on the gray, and then 38 on the black. Here we have a countertop extender. That leaf folds up and locks, allows you to use additional counter space, and we can always use that. Here are very comfortable recliners, and then you also have your plug-ins on the little table in between, so you can plug your USB items right there. Here's your entertainment system, USB ports, and your flat screen TV, as well as your fireplace. Your power controls for your awnings and all your LED lighting as we open up the bathroom and show that. The shower is 30 by 48. Your AC unit is 13,500 BTU. More cabinet space. So a nice sized bathroom, and then 3 tri-fold or tri-slider doors, so you can slide those doors, and it really works out well, giving you a nice wide opening to get into the 30 by 48 shower. as we open up the bedroom door and enter the bedroom. Now this is a king size bed, which you can see is rather large. Normally we see a queen or a RV queen. Here it's a king size. Then we open up the closet here, and that is a door to the outside, and there's your electrical hookup. It's also pre-wired, pre-plumbed for washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer as we button things up. Or you can leave it without the stackable washer and dryer and use it as a wardrobe. We open up the sliding closet, and you can see the closet and the shelf there, great for your shoes, sweaters, jackets, as well as hang up clothes. And then we have underbed storage. And look at how much underbed storage, rather deep and rather large underbed storage. And again, it's a king size bed. Nice sized bedroom. LED lighting. As we leave the bedroom and walk back into the gathering room, what are your thoughts on the floor plan of this unit as far as the space? And again, sleeps 5, 2 slides. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts on this floor plan. I personally like it. Nice and wide open, and then with the rear kitchen, it gives you a lot of gathering room. As I sit down in the recliner just to take a look at the room and get perspective, you can see your large flat screen TV, your fold-out couch, as well as your dining table, and close proximity to the sink as well as the refrigerator.